Hi, welcome back to the set 27 of the series dbms 1. So let's get started with the question. Question 1. What is the number of students studying in class 11A? Number of students 4. So to the next question, find the number of students who scored between 40 and 90 marks in all the subjects in the first term examination. So here, I forgot to mention, here I've used a count function to get the number of a certain figure, number of records or number of a certain figure. And here, as usual, we have used between and also an inner join to combine the table. Let's see the result. So the count adds up to 19. Third question, what is the number of students appearing in the subject of science in the second term examination out of the students studying in all the classes in grade 11? Here, as usual, we have used count to get the exact number of records. Here we have used two inner joins. Let's see the result. So the count adds up to 8. So here you can see in the student table there are 8 students, and out of those 8 students, all the 8 students have participated for the second term exam. Fourth question, find the following details of 11A class students who scored more than 60 marks in mathematics in the second term examination. So we have to display these details. So here I have used 4 inner joins. Along with the greater than sign. Now let's see the result. Here you can see there are 2 records saying that these 2 students have scored more than 60 marks for the subject mathematics. So the 5th question, find the number of students in class 11A who scored more than 60 marks in the science subject in the second term examination. Here also I have used count to get the number of records or number of a certain figure, and also we also have used 4 inner joins to combine the tables together. Here I've used a greater than sign. Let's see the result now. So the number of students adds up to 3. And so this is it for the question set 27. See you soon from question set 28.